Hello guys, today this is our church flyer design that we want to recreate. We want to make this kind of church flyer. So I want to show you the process in which we went through. So thank you, and I want to show you the vivid part how we were able to achieve this. So please stay tuned. I don't want to waste your time. Come to Photoshop, sorry, CorelDRAW. This is let's create a new folder. I mean so here under this new folder, select a rectangle. Please stay with me. Select a rectangle. Press P on your keyboard for it to centralize in the middle, like that. This is a um soft copy design, so you don't need to actually size it that much. But yes, for some Instagram purpose, I will drop a video on that as well. So now this is our asset, which I'll be dropping in the description. Look at the image here. You copy this image and this. Then you paste it. Look at this. So on trying to work with this, we want to power click this image. First, you power click, right click, and then drag in and click power click. If you are not able to do it, let's undo. Select this, come to object, and then click on power click or place inside, and then come here, then place here. It will enter inside. Double click on it so that you can readjust. Please, if you are following me, please let me know. If you have missed anything along the way, call my attention. So from here, we only power click this into it. Then we want to write this night of prayer. Under this night of prayer, we are using a font called Bebas. We'll type night, use the text tool, night of prayer. Press enter, press night of prayer. So under this night of prayer, you can drag it to fill it up. Then select your fonts here. I'm using Bebas. You can use any other font. I'm trying to use Bebas. Let me be kind of professional with the tutorial. It's nothing serious, by the way. So double clicking, it will bring this thing a little bit down. We'll bring it a little bit down. Select this, and then I think we'll curve this. Select this curve downward so that we'll be able to select. You see, tap here. Let's adjust. Make a node here by double clicking so that you can hold this and bring it in. The essence of this is anytime you want to click, you should not go and click any other. You double click here, double click, then select anywhere there's a node, bring it down. Please and please, if you are not understanding, let me know. And select this text, press Ctrl K to break it. We do this thing every day. Press another Ctrl K again so that you can break in between this. You can break in between here. Ctrl K, you break it, and then you can reduce this like this. Let's make some readjustment. Select this, make some adjustment, select this, and then bring it this way. So this is a very fine way in which you do this. So now let's steal their colors. Want to steal their colors, or probably we may use different colors as well. This is black here. We can select this to be this. You can select, you can say this, you select this one and then give it a color. Let's say not much. Yes, let's assume that's the color. But if you want to copy it directly from here, you can select here or click on this eyedropper to click on it, then click on bam, and then come here, pour there. You have gotten that a particular color, but let's undo it. Then select here and then come and select this color under here. Select it. You have gotten that exact color. So we want this to go behind. We want this text to go behind this guy here. So we also cut this text. You cut it or you power click it. You select it like this and come to object. Under object here, click on power click, place inside the frame, and then you select like this. Then double click inside. Come here and select this prayer, then bring it down. Bring it down a bit. We'll bring it down. So now it is on top of him. So select him, press shift page up so that it will come up. Look at it. Shift page up and then click finish. Please, please, and please don't hesitate. Then select this rectangle here and then right. You can now just drag a rectangle like this. And then from here, we are coming with the background. I'm thinking of how we can tweak the background a bit. So select the color down here. That's one. Remove the outline. Two. Then that for width. His name is what? Pastor Samuel Roga. We don't have this font, so I'll be working on the available font. So we'll duplicate this by you copy and paste, or you can duplicate by dragging like this and then right click, you duplicate. Then those are different ways I'm showing you how you can do it. So take this thing up a bit, adjust, make your adjustment like this, and then change the color here. Under this color, you can adjust. Yeah, you select this thing, adjust like this. That's it. So now you will come to this freehand here. I mean this pen tool. We want to find a pen tool. Select this pen tool. What we want to achieve is this. How you can be able to achieve this. So you can now click here, drag down a bit, click here, and then you join here. It has given you a shape. So giving you this particular shape now, hold shift on your keyboard and then select that image, that vector, this vector in orange. Then you join it by clicking on word. It has become one shape. You understand what I'm trying to say? So now what we are working on is width. That width we are writing now, it will be on top of it. This is width. Pastor who. And then let's duplicate this. You can bring it down. Come here. Right click. Pastor Samuel. Pastor who? Let's Pastor Samuel Roga. That's it, Pastor Samuel Roga. It's sounding like a my one of my artists, favorite artists. But that's not him. And then you adjust it like this. See your adjustments, brother. This is it. Then come here. You can use any stylish or little fonts that you have that you think is stylish. For me, I have futuristic signature. Select it. Double click this. Select all. Press function and press Shift F3. That is on my keyboard. On your keyboard, you can press Shift F3. You will achieve that. But mine has a function double base option. So it's function key. Then adjust it, or you can type it in small letter as well. Those of you that don't like stress. So that's it. And then the next thing is he said when they speak tears, that's just text. So you can just say, I can just copy from here, select here. So me, I can copy the text. You can type it as well. I don't want this tutorial to be too long. That's why. You can come here, type it, save, or you can paste it like this. Or sometimes I use notepad to so that things will not scatter. So under this notepad, let me clear this. Then I'll paste this, copy it, cut, and then come back to corridor like this and click on paste. Under this paste, I will have to adjust things, a lot of things. So you select this like this. So you will be going to the look at this monument. Montserrat, sorry. Press. I'll be using Montserrat instead of that. Designs are not consistent. So the available becomes the desirable at some point. This here behind here is prayer. It's a font that they used behind. So here we'll just retype these informations and then we are good to go. Let me show you how we were able to arrange it, how to achieve that. Select a rectangle like this. Query, you now have that. Under that rectangle, we'll select this. I want to copy this color as well. Paste it. Select that rectangle and then remove the outline. Under the removing of outline, select this and then you copy and paste. Now there are two, undo it. Then select the one that is up. So then double click in the middle, one like this, and then shift it a bit and then give it a different color so that you can be able to identify anytime you see. So back. This is it here. So now select this and then select that one that is behind by holding shift altogether. Hold shift so that you can click and then still click the other one and make it one. Then you will come to, okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, that's good. So select this, come to contour, or as the case may be. Let's just work with it that way. Here like this, you can make adjustments. Like this, you can make adjustments. We change it to curve. Remember, we right click and then we change to curve. How can you change something to curve? Select it, right click, change to curve. You see, so that you can be able to use shape tool to adjust it so that you can have this angle. That's what happened there. It's not magic. So now look at Friday 14th. You can just type this text and then you are good to go. So let me just copy, show you how you can work with. So depending on the project you are working with, you can work with it in varying ways. So copy it. Me, sometimes I paste in here at notepad and copy so that there's no stress of working up and down. So select this, duplicate, double click, select all and then paste. Under this paste here, you adjust, make your adjustment like this. Let's change the color to white. Under this white, we'll duplicate, hold shift like this so that you'll be moving in the same line, then right click. And then as it's selected like this, hold shift again, you drag like that. That means you can be able to readjust at any given point in time. Let's go back to this one. So you cannot change. You can, from here you can now retype it. You can type the dates, type the name of the church. Some people want us to do the whole work, so we'll do it. When I say, then me, I will just copy it from here. I'll copy from here and progress so that without no waste of time. Press enter for it to work. Then this, you are going to, that person never chop. You are going to press shift Windows T again. That's on my PC. Oh, I don't know for your one. This is my Palasa PC. Copy. I'm not giving you any reason to be encouraged. I'm giving you every reason to learn everything by the available resources within you. So let's paste here and then let's see. Okay. That's church. Auditorium. Mhm. So at this juncture, like this, What you have to do here is, that is November edition. How was this achieved? How was this achieved? They drew a cycle like this, which is here. And then under this cycle, select it. You click in the middle, bam, like this. And then from here, you drag it. Can you see? Drag it and hold. Under this dragging and hold, please, you can actually copy and paste. Copy and paste. So that I can select this one and then move it around. So that's it. So you can say November edition. Under this November edition, you can copy or you can type. Me, I'm copying because of we want this to finish. That's just it. So select this one, right click, select or paste. November edition. Press enter. You'll be you will adjust. Under this, select this one and then give it color. So right now, what is remaining is your logo, and then we're thinking of, and this one behind is prayer. This thing they wrote behind this guy is prayer. So now let's look for a soft milk background. This is how I do my research. Soft milk background. That's it. So under, wow, this is what Pinterest is trying to give me. Like I said, okay, let me say white. Let me see what it's gonna bring for us. So for distance, white. Um. Okay, let's work with milk color. Press enter. Milk color background. So can you see this? It's very light. Select any of them that you are going to use. Download. So other download. Select this. Uh-huh. Copy. Copy from here, please. You copy from there, come, and then you paste. This is too dim, so select it. We'll power click it inside. Power click. Adjust. Press shift page down like that. Under that, you select it, and then let's adjust the color so that it should not be too much. Press finish. So select this thing like this, and then you can come to creative. You come to creative, come to scatter, and then you click on OK. Look at how the thing has scattered itself. Okay. So now we are pushing to the end of this tutorial. What is actually remaining is for you to make this demarcation, of which that is not actually necessary. You can also do it. So some people were asking, why, how am I able to do, how will I be able to do this? You can do it. It's just that you select your pen tool like this, 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 like this. So that's it. Oh. So you can now select, you can select it, remove an outline, you remove it. That is shift page up so that you can see it. Okay, Let's adjust. So that's one. Okay. So at this juncture, you select this and then select the color. Look at it from here and then select it. We can also use, let me just right click, or I can use it in a different way. So you can also use it like this. So thank you, and if you love our tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.